Welcome to my channel. In this video, I'm going to talk about the wildlife and how to survive. If you're new here, make sure please subscribe to my channel for the latest video. Today our boy, he goes round and look to the ground, finding wild potato to eat. The best time to harvest potatoes is when the vines have died back and the soil is dry. This is usually about 2 to 3 weeks after the plants have finished flowering. If you harvest too early, the potatoes will be small and immature. If you harvest too late, the potatoes may become green and bitter. To harvest potatoes, use a stick as you see in this video to gently loosen the soil around the plants. Then, use your hands to carefully dig up the potatoes. Be careful not to damage the potatoes, as this can cause them to rot. Nothing in the world is worth having or worth doing unless it means effort, pain, difficulty. I have never in my life envied a human being who led an easy life. I have envied a great many people who led difficult lives and led them well. Thanks for watching. I hope you enjoyed the video. If you did, please like and subscribe and follow my Facebook page for more content like this. Thank you.